Kong API Gateway versus Apigee. Best API tool for you in 2025. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you a comparison between Kong API Gateway and Apigee to help you decide which API tool is best for you. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to know is that Kong API Gateway is a high-performance, cloud-native, open-source gateway, while Apigee is an enterprise-grade API management platform with built-in analytics, security, and monetization. Over here, Kong API Gateway is best for developers needing a lightweight, scalable, and customizable API gateway, whereas Apigee is designed for large enterprises needing full API lifecycle management. After that, let's compare their deployment options. Kong supports open source, self-hosted, hybrid, and cloud deployments, while Apigee offers cloud SaaS, hybrid, and on-premises deployment. Then, when it comes to authentication, both platforms support OAuth 2.0, JWT, and API keys, but Apigee also integrates EM for enterprise security. Over here, another major difference is API monetization. Apigee provides built-in monetization support, whereas Kong does not natively support API monetization. After that, let's talk about performance. Kong is extremely fast and lightweight, making it ideal for microservices and Kubernetes. On the other hand, Apigee includes advanced features that may slightly impact performance. Then, if you need a fast, open source API gateway with customization and plugin support, Kong is a great choice. But if you are an enterprise needing advanced analytics, security, and API monetization, then Apigee is the better option. So that's the comparison between Kong API Gateway and Apigee. That's all for this video.